Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you a unique and creative project, making a beautiful dress out of a single dollar bill. Yes, you heard that right, we're turning currency into fashion. So grab a dollar bill and let's get started. To craft this stunning dress, you'll only need $1 bill. Make sure it's crisp and clean for the best results. Start by valley folding the left edge of the dollar bill. This will create a neat and precise edge to work with. Next, valley fold the left part of the bill. Then gently unfold it. Now, valley fold the right edge of the bill. And carefully unfold the other edge. Valley fold the right edge of the bill towards the center line. This aligns the edges and gives our dress a defined silhouette. Fold the entire model in half horizontally, creating a crisp crease. Then gently unfold it. Now, cross valley fold the left edge towards the center. Then repeat the same on the right side. Unfold the model to reveal a square fold. Turn the bill over again. Fold the two edges inside, creating a clean and polished look for the dress. Finally, trim the point at the bottom to refine the design. And there you have it, your stunning dress crafted from a dollar bill. It's a unique and stylish piece that's sure to impress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, you can experiment with different folding techniques to customize your dress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative DIY projects.